forward. I'm going to the gym. I'm gonna hit some legs and shoulders and chest. Today we have to go to the flea market after the gym. A dinner planned for KBBQ tonight. We're also gonna do some shopping today at Ala Moana. And here's the weather. Got some blue sky showing right here. It's 6:30 in the morning. Ready for this push and leg day at 24 Hour Fitness.
Racks on racks stuck together. Sit red top to the devil. Rosetta Stones forever. High yellow, canary yellow. Hot chocolate Cinderella. Trap off a tractor trailer. Blue paper stuck together. Back my bells. Strapped up with heavy metal. Sip lean top.
We're gonna swap meet and then we're gonna go to Lani Kai.
Our favorite beach.
And go to Stussy store. The Ala Moana Shopping Center.
And then Korean barbecue.
Make sure we get good photos tonight, so that's our last full night here. We just arrived at Aloha Stadium. We're gonna go to the swap meet, see what they got.
Guys, there's so much cute stuff. There's so much cute stuff. Guys, it's so hot. We just walked a whole lap, and this is the time I'll start buying stuff. I bought a couple things, but honestly, there's so many stalls that I can't remember which part is the good deal, so I'm just gonna start buying. I only spent like $30 so far. Anthony is eyeing on a shirt, and I gave him a approval to get it. Okay. We'll show you guys the shirt if he ends up getting it. We bought more shirts. Anthony bought so much shirts.
I bought 5.
That's a lot.
That's my 20 bucks.
I bought 1. We didn't buy that much because I knew it was not a good.
Sushi, a pound of 2 different types of poke. We are here at Lani Kai Beach.
We made it. There was no street parking.
Yeah, we had to park
All the way down at Kalua
10-minute walk.
Beach Park.
But here's the view of where we're sitting.
Okay guys, we're gonna do a little bowl that we got from Foodlands. We got a spicy California crunch roll. And we got 2 pokés, ahi fresh poke with limu. And then we got the spicy Hawaiian poke.
Spicy ahi.
Spicy ahi. And then we got some chips to go with it because it's so good. We got this last year, but I got a different flavor. I got the wine soda, passion orange, guava.
And I got Lily Koi Mochi.
Okay, now we're just gonna eat a little bit and then go north.
We finished Lani Kai Beach. Definitely tanner than I was. After this, we're gonna go to Ala Moana Mall and shop. Let me see what you got. Show them.
A Hawaiian sun. And then really cool.
What do we? You want acai bowl? Our park bowls. No, the bowl. How was it?
It was really refreshing.
Yeah. Hey, what's What's up, YouTube? I'm just kidding. All right, we just got back to our hotel after shopping at Ala Moana. We have a $50 hotel food voucher.
Costco.
We're gonna go to the bar at the pool, buy a couple of drinks.
Got another lava flow.
I got a ube colada. Time to try this.
Let's try it.
That's good. Let me try yours. Let me try yours. They're both good. These Hawaiian cocktails are really good. Our last night here, dinner, take more pictures at the sunset, and go buy some more things. Here's Fada's outfit.
I like these gold flowers. With these gold, look at this pearl necklace that's flowered. And this is also flower. And like my hair has a flower.
Wow, I think I have a flower. I think these, I don't know, those aren't flowers.
Anthony's burnt.
But yeah, I'm sunburned. You can't, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but my whole chest is sunburned. But hey, it's okay. All right.
Let's go. We're at the Louis store. I hope they have it. That's great.
Oh, she got something.
We're taking sunset photos, and so far they're shooting out really good.
Sunset's over there. We're just right over Waikiki, and look at that. Look at that sky. And that's it, guys. That's our last sunset here in Hawaii before we go home tomorrow night. But now we're gonna go eat something. We're gonna eat some KBBQ.
Can we walk through the grass? I need to wipe my feet. So sandy.
Here's our dinner for the night. We love KBBQ. We're excited to try another one. Wow, aged, I'm guessing that's Wagyu. Aged Wagyu. Quality grade 5 out of 5. Okay. It's looking good so far.
So hungry.
Okay guys, we just got the sides. Here's the assortment of sides we got. See a little bit of pasta there, some japchae, all that. All right, we just got our meat. So we started off with some kalbi, pork jowl, and brisket. Fada's gonna put the brisket on first. All right, so it looks like we got everything. So we got corn cheese right there. All these sides, we got our brisket cooking, steamed egg, our soup, and our meats. And Fada's gonna let you know how this brisket tastes once it's all cooked. Okay, go ahead. Good brisket? I just ate it. It's pretty good brisket. I'd say that's a very good brisket. While she's doing that, I'm putting down the pork jowl. That's gonna be our next thing to try.
I got the steamed tofu. It comes with octopus, shrimp, and then tofu.
Good?
Pretty
Okay. I love steamed egg. I always get it every time it's available. Very good. Lightly salted, not burnt like other places. It's good. It's a solid steamed egg, I'd say.
I'm the color and cheese connoisseur. Cheese ball, nice cheese ball.
Go ahead.
I like it.
That's good.
This is pork chop. I like pork chop better than pork belly because it's not as squishy.
Yeah. So far, having a good experience, for sure. Look at this. Thank you. Our short ribs, they're almost done. We also got some, what is that, chuck tail? And more brisket. Got another corn cheese. After that kalbi, we need our grill change, but Fada's gonna go ahead and review the kalbi short ribs. How is it compared to all the other short ribs you've ever had?
It's not just it sounds spectacular, but it's good.
We just changed our grill, and now we are cooking the chuck tail. Our chuck flap tail is now about to be finished, and Fada is gonna try this. Hot?
That one's okay.
All right. It's like a thicker brisket. Put the brisket in. Alright, we just finished eating at that restaurant right there. How was it?
3.5 out of 5.
3.5 out of 5. I thought it was pretty good. It is just expensive.
Yeah,
I think the price does knock
not
down
worth
some.
the price. This is like
Like-
$10 more than Washington.
If it was $45 with everything we got, I'd say yeah, 9 or 10 out of 10. But the fact that it's $60, I guess.
And then they also do this thing like it's $5 cheaper if you use cash, but if you use card, it's additional $5.
Yeah, I don't know.
So
But
Anthony just like